Hi Bhargavi.
Hello.
Thanks for attending Agile training with Global Skill Up. How is your overall experience with the training?
Yeah, the overall experience is very good, and the trainer is very great. And whenever we saw Agile, we feel like okay, Agile, how Agile actually works because it's unlike traditional ways. Agile is some more adaptive to the work culture. So all these years, it's not like 2 3 years. It's all from past 20th century. It started with a waterfall method. All the project, either it's a software or it's a hardware, everyone follows the waterfall method of project management. But how actually agile took over the industry, the market, that is explained very well by the trainer. And yeah, the manifesto of the agile, where we went and signature, where we went and gave the signature. It was really a great experience. With what we expected, we got here in the training more than that. Because okay, we thought okay, 1 2 3 4 5. These are the points we get trained if after the 2 day session we thought, but more than what we expect, we got it. Um, we got the real lifetime scenarios also. The trainer is also a consultant, so he gave the real lifetime scenarios to the companies, how he worked, what are the scenarios he got in the his companies. So that was really helpful.
What's the current role in your work and why did you look for Agile?
I'm working as a quality Spock in my current company, where my works also includes the ISO 20 and 27000 implementations. So it closely deals with all the methods of agile methodology. But we never know that these are separately called as agile methodologies. So we deal with the risk management, we deal with the value stream analysis, we deal with the performance, team performance, everything. But we never know this is called as a methodology, and we do in the softwares, because my company which I'm working is a service based company. So I know okay, these are the methods to drive the operations or the team. I know these 1 2 3 points are required, but I never know this is a separate methodology to be worked in Agile. That is very well explained here. And whenever I have a doubt, so when we do value stream analysis, comparing to the operations, as I'm from a service background, so I see it as a tickets. So if we have 1000 tickets, we do top tickets. How we do top tickets? We do with the value streaming. But here end-to-end project mapping is deal with the value streaming. So that concepts are explained really well.
What kind of skills or concepts are going to really help for your job?
Unlike
Learn.
the other process, if we learn Sigma, Lean Six Sigma, we'll learn only about Six Sigma. And if we learn about Kanban, we'll learn only about Kanban. If we are learning about Scrum, or we are going for Scrum certification, we'll learn only about this Scrum. Agile is different from all that, because we'll be having a touch base of all these methodologies. So we are dealing with Scrum here, we are dealing with Kanban, we are dealing with Lean Six Sigma. So it's a mixture of everything. So it depends on company and the program, which according to the process, which technology, with methodology we want to adapt, we can adapt.
Do you recommend Global Skill Up to your friends or colleagues?
200%.
Thank you. All the best for your
Thank you.
ACP exam.